This 2026 Grand Design Lineage 31ZW is a Super CRV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleeps 5, air conditioning, LP detector, water heater, smoke detector, refrigerator, awning, stovetop burner, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, and 79 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2026 Grand Design Lineage 31ZW is built on a Ford F600 chassis and is powered by a Powerstroke engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.